Please let there be something today just to buy.
Back off, furball. This alley's mine. You eat, I eat first.
But I found it first.
I can't take this anymore. I need help. Real help.
Whiskers had heard stories about...
I hope this works. Your Majesty, I seek your help.
Who dares wake me?
You've come far, little one. Now speak. You again? Didn't learn your less. You mess with one cat, you answer to the king.
Thanks, Leo.
Anytime, little lion.
Sometimes, the smallest voice echoes loudest when it...
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.